How to change real player stats on EFC 25. So the first thing that you want to do is go into your settings and then here on edit real players. Then you're gonna choose between male player or female player. And remember, every change that you do will only appear on offline modes, such as career mode, tournaments, or kickoff. So you select male player or female player, and then you are going to country, league, and teams. So let's select Real Madrid, and then I don't know, let's see Vini Jr. You can see that he is already a little bit changed because I was testing it before, but you can change his name or his commentary name. You can change on his kit number, his body. You can only change his position, so he is a forward naturally. You can change to right, left, or maintain striker. You can change his preferred foot. You can put him on the midfield, on the defender, or goalkeeper. Also, you can change all of these attributes, so crossing, finishing, heading, accuracy, short passing, volleys, and weak foot ability. And in the defense, you can change standing tackle and sliding tackle. And of course, you can change all of the kits, so you can put on tucked, you can change the kit sleeves for the way you want to put it, you can change his boots, and you can change his gloves and wrists. So that's how you change real player stats and kit on EFC 25.